Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Trello board templates for weekly content planning, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser and going to the Trello website. If you don't already have an account, create one by clicking on the sign up button. Once logged in, navigate to your Trello dashboard. Click on the templates option found in the top menu. In the templates section, use the search bar to type weekly content planning and hit enter. You will see a variety of templates available for your needs. Browse through the results to find a template that best fits your content planning style. When you find a template you like, click on it to view more details. Review the template to ensure it meets your requirements. Look for the Use Template button, usually located on the right side of the screen. Click on the Use Template button. This will prompt you to choose the workspace where you want to create this board. Select your desired workspace from the drop-down menu. After selecting your workspace, click Create Board. You will be taken to the newly created board based on the selected template. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and structure of the board. You can now customize the board to suit your content planning needs. Add lists for different stages of your content, such as ideas, in progress, and published. Start filling in cards with your content ideas, deadlines, and any relevant details. Remember to invite team members to collaborate by clicking on Invite at the top of the board. Once you have your board set up, regularly update it to keep your content plan on track. You now have a Trello board template ready for your weekly content planning. Enjoy organizing and managing your content efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.